Have you ever noticed the number 1111 appearing in your life? Maybe you've glanced at the clock at exactly 1111 or seen it on a license plate, receipt, or phone number. If so, you're not alone. Many people report seeing this number sequence repeatedly, often in unexpected places. But what does it mean? Is it just a coincidence or could it be something more? In this video, we'll explore the fascinating world of angel numbers, with a special focus on the powerful 1111. Angel numbers are sequences of numbers that some believe carry special meaning or messages from the spiritual realm. These numbers can appear anywhere in our daily lives, catching our attention and sparking curiosity. While skeptics might dismiss them as mere coincidence, many find profound meaning and guidance in these numerical patterns. Let's dive deeper into what angel numbers really are. At their core, angel numbers are repeating number sequences that are thought to hold spiritual significance. They're called angel numbers because some believe they're a way for celestial beings or the universe to communicate with us. The idea is that these numbers carry vibrations and energies that can offer guidance, reassurance, or insight into our lives. Angel numbers differ from regular numbers in a few key ways. First, they tend to appear repeatedly and in unexpected places, often catching our attention in a way that feels more than random. Second, they're usually seen as sequences like 111, 222, or in our case, 1111. Lastly, they're interpreted not just for their numerical value, but for the spiritual or metaphysical meaning behind them. Now, let's focus on the star of our show, 1111. This number sequence is often considered one of the most powerful and significant angel numbers. In numerology, the study of numbers and their spiritual significance, 1111 is seen as a master number. Master numbers are believed to have a higher vibration and more intense energy than other numbers. The power of 1111 lies in its repetition and symmetry. The number 1 represents new beginnings, independence, and motivation. When repeated 4 times, these qualities are amplified. 1111 is often associated with spiritual awakening, enlightenment, and the manifestation of thoughts into reality. Many people report seeing 1111 at pivotal moments in their lives. It might appear when you're considering a major life change, starting a new project, or seeking answers to important questions. Some believe that seeing 1111 is a sign that you're on the right path or that your thoughts are aligning with your true purpose. Where might you encounter 1111? The truth is, it can show up almost anywhere. Common places include digital clocks, 1111, timestamps on messages or emails, page numbers in books, addresses, or even totals on receipts. Some people report seeing it on license plates, billboards, or phone numbers. The key to noticing 1111 more often is simply being aware of it. Once you start looking for it, you might be surprised at how frequently it appears. However, it's important to maintain a balance. While being aware of these numbers can be insightful, becoming overly fixated on them isn't helpful. When you do see 1111, take a moment to pause and reflect. What were you thinking about at that moment? What's going on in your life right now? The appearance of 1111 might be prompting you to pay attention to your thoughts and feelings in that instant. Interpreting 1111 in your own life can be a deeply personal experience. For many, it's seen as a wake-up call or a cosmic nudge. It might be encouraging you to focus on your personal growth and self-reflection. When you see 1111, it could be a good time to check in with yourself. Are you living in alignment with your values and goals? Are there areas of your life that need more attention or change? 1111 is often associated with the power of positive thinking and manifestation. Some believe that Seeing this number is a reminder that your thoughts have the power to shape your reality. It might be encouraging you to focus on your aspirations and to believe in your ability to achieve them. In terms of personal growth, 1111 can point to various areas of focus. It might be urging you to step into your personal power, to trust your intuition, or to pursue a path that feels authentic to you. It could also be a reminder to stay positive and optimistic, even in challenging times. While 1111 is particularly powerful, it's not the only significant angel number. Other important sequences include 222, 333, 444, and so on. Each of these numbers is believed to carry its own unique message and energy. For example, 222 is often associated with balance, harmony, and partnerships. 333 might relate to creativity and self-expression. 444 is often seen as a sign of protection and support. While each number has its own significance, they all connect back to the idea of spiritual guidance and personal growth. Understanding these other angel numbers can provide a fuller picture of the messages you might be receiving. It's like learning a new language. The more words you know, the more nuanced the communication becomes. Of course, not everyone believes in the concept of angel numbers. Skepticism is natural and healthy when encountering new ideas, especially those related to spirituality or metaphysics. Some might argue that seeing repeating numbers is simply a result of our brain's pattern recognition abilities, combined with the frequency illusion, also known as the Baader-Meinhof phenomenon, where once you notice something, you tend to notice it more often. From a scientific perspective, there's no empirical evidence supporting the idea that numbers like 1111 have inherent spiritual meaning. Critics might point out that finding meaning in random number sequences is a form of apophenia, the tendency to perceive meaningful patterns in random data. However, many people find value in angel numbers even from a psychological standpoint. Paying attention to these numbers can serve as a mindfulness practice, encouraging us to be more present and aware of our surroundings. It can also prompt self-reflection and introspection, which can be beneficial regardless of whether you believe in their spiritual significance. Whether you're a believer or a skeptic, the concept of angel numbers like 1111 can be used as a tool for positive change in your life. When you see 1111, you can use it as a reminder to check in with yourself, to focus on your goals, or to practice gratitude. Here are some practical tips for using 1111 as a catalyst for positive change. Use it as a mindfulness trigger. When you see 1111, take a deep breath and center yourself in the present moment. Set intentions. Use the appearance of 1111 as a prompt to focus on what you want to achieve or manifest in your life. Practice gratitude. When 1111 appears, take a moment to think of 3 things you're grateful for. Trust your intuition. If you're facing a decision and see 1111, it might be encouraging you to trust your gut feeling. Take inspired action. Use the energy of 1111 to motivate you to take steps towards your goals. Remember, these are small steps. The power lies not in the number itself, but in how you choose to respond to it. Many people have reported profound experiences related to 1111. Some say they've made life-changing decisions after repeatedly seeing this number. Others report feeling a sense of peace or alignment when they encounter it. While these stories are anecdotal, they highlight how paying attention to these numbers can lead to increased self-awareness and personal growth. It's important to note that everyone's experience with angel numbers is unique. What 1111 means for one person might be different for another. That's why it's crucial to trust your own intuition when interpreting these numbers in your life. We encourage you to share your own experiences with 1111 or other angel numbers. Sharing stories can help create a sense of community and provide different perspectives on how these numbers might be interpreted. One of the key aspects of working with angel numbers is developing your intuition. Intuition is often described as our inner wisdom or gut feeling. It's that sense of knowing something without logical reasoning. Developing your intuition can help you better interpret the messages behind angel numbers and make decisions that align with your true self. Here are some tips for developing your intuition. Practice mindfulness. Regular meditation or mindfulness exercises can help you become more attuned to your inner voice. Trust your first impressions. Often, our initial gut reaction is the most accurate. Pay attention to your dreams. Keep a dream journal and look for patterns or messages. Spend time in nature. Many people find that being in natural settings helps them feel more connected to their intuition. Listen to your body. Our bodies often give us signals that our conscious mind might miss. As you develop your intuition, you may find that interpreting angel numbers like 1111 becomes more natural and meaningful. When we talk about angel numbers, it's important to see them as part of a bigger picture. They're not isolated phenomena, but rather potential tools for personal growth and self-discovery. The real value of paying attention to numbers like 1111 isn't in the numbers themselves, but in how they encourage us to be more mindful, introspective, and open to the possibilities around us. Seeing 1111 or other angel numbers can be a reminder to look for meaning and purpose in our everyday lives. It encourages us to see beyond the mundane and consider that there might be more to our existence than what meets the eye. This perspective can lead to a richer, more fulfilling life experience. Moreover, the practice of noticing and interpreting angel numbers can help develop important life skills. It can enhance our observational skills, encouraging us to be more present and aware of our surroundings. It can improve our analytical thinking as we try to decipher the potential meanings behind these numbers, and it can boost our intuition and trust in our inner wisdom. In essence, working with angel numbers like 1111 is about personal empowerment. It's about recognizing that we have the ability to shape our lives and find meaning in our experiences. Whether you believe these numbers are messages from the universe or simply interesting coincidences, the act of engaging with them can lead to positive personal growth. As we wrap up our exploration of 1111 and angel numbers, let's recap the key points we've covered. Angel numbers are repeating number sequences believed by some to carry spiritual messages. 1111 is considered a particularly powerful angel number, often associated with spiritual awakening and manifestation. These numbers can appear anywhere in daily life, from clocks to license plates to receipts. Interpreting angel numbers is a personal experience, often related to self-reflection and personal growth. While some are skeptical, many find value in using angel numbers as tools for mindfulness and positive change. Developing your intuition can help you better understand and work with angel numbers. The concept of angel numbers encourages us to find meaning and purpose in our everyday lives. We encourage you to stay open to the possibility of angel numbers in your life. Pay attention to the numbers you see repeatedly and consider what they might mean for you. Remember, the true power lies not in the numbers themselves, but in how they inspire you to reflect, grow, and live more consciously. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of 1111 and the world of angel numbers. We hope this video has provided you with new insights and perspectives. If you found this information helpful, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more content on personal growth and spirituality. We'd love to hear about your experiences with 1111 or other angel numbers. Share your stories in the comments below. And if you have ideas for future video topics, let us know. Your input helps us create content that's meaningful and relevant to you. Remember, whether you're a believer in angel numbers or not, the practice of being present, reflective, and open to the magic of everyday life can lead to profound personal growth. Keep your eyes open, trust your intuition, and stay curious about the world around you. You never know what insights and opportunities might be waiting just around the corner. Until next time, stay aware, stay open, and keep growing.